Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you whether or not you should use YouTube for your business to advertise or just showcase your business. So I'm going to get started with telling you about who uses YouTube. So I did previous videos where I explained how you have to look at the demographics of, let's say for Instagram, there's only people who are between certain ages and genders who use Instagram. Pinterest, that's another demographic, like it's mainly females between a certain age that use Pinterest. But when we're looking at YouTube, the demographics are very broad. You have kids that use YouTube all the way up to seniors who know how to use YouTube. So YouTube is very broad. You can reach a very large audience using YouTube, and I consider, in my opinion, YouTube as the #1 platform to advertise, just showcase your business, who you are, your brand. YouTube has the most exposure, in my opinion. So I would say if you are a business owner and you have really good information to showcase about your business, or you have really beneficial information regarding your industry, your product, your service, make a video like this one and tell people about it on YouTube. So basically, in my opinion, there is no limit on the type of business you are. You could, if you really want to, advertise and be on YouTube. I'm going to give you a couple tips on how you should use YouTube. So let's say tip number 1, you definitely have to be consistent. If you decide to use YouTube as a platform to gain exposure, then if you can only make a video and upload it every week, do it every week. If it can be every 2 weeks, do it every 2 weeks consistently. If it could be every month even, do it every month. But don't upload a video in January and then the next video in like April and then the next one in December. You're not really going to see any growth. You're not really going to see any exposure. You're not going to get a good amount of views because YouTube has a certain algorithm where consistency is very key. So if they see that you're consistent and serious, and your quality of your content is good, then it's gonna showcase your video to people who they think may be interested. So yeah, definitely tip number 1 is to be consistent. Tip number 2 is definitely to have quality content. So not to say that you have to get the best of the best camera and lighting and all that stuff. I mean, having really good content, really informative content that can give whoever's watching a new idea, a new perspective. It interests them. They learn something new from it. So that's what I look at when I'm watching YouTube videos myself, right? So yeah, that's a definite number 2. And I guess lastly, when you're looking at YouTube, and this is a high-level tip, is to use really good tags, video descriptions, and video titles. And there's like a list of, let's say a checklist of criteria that I do for every single YouTube video that I upload. And it actually helps with your SEO and it helps with your exposure when it comes to getting your videos more, let's say, recognized or more out there on YouTube, so more people can see you. So out of that list, the top 3 things on that list is to have a very good descriptive title of your video. So the way I do that is I research other videos that are a similar topic to mine that are doing well, and I use a title like that because obviously their title is doing good. My description box, I make sure I have the right keywords within my description box that are related to my video and make a brief description of what my video is about. And then in my tags, the same thing. I make sure I use certain tags about what the video is about. So let's say for this video, it's about YouTube, I'm going to type in the tag YouTube, right? And it's about marketing as well, so there's going to be a marketing tag. And you can even put like the whole title as a tag, the whole title of your video. So doing that sort of research, that's another tip when you're uploading your video. And uploading your video consistently, but at a good time consistently, is another good tip as well. So yeah, there's some YouTubers that upload daily, 9 a.m. every day. That's good. And there's some that upload every Tuesday at noon. That's amazing. So you're keeping it consistent for, yes, YouTube and their algorithm, and you're keeping it consistent for your audience so they know when to look forward to your videos. Okay, so yeah, those are a few tips on how to use YouTube for your business. And as I said, there is no business that shouldn't be using YouTube. So I just explained to you why I feel that way. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this. I post every week. So subscribe to my channel to get more videos with information that's web related, business related, and even marketing related. Yeah, so once again, my name is Chanel McCarty from EncoreWebsites.com, and thank you so much for watching.